Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refund a rented movie on YouTube. First, it is important to understand the eligibility requirements for a refund. You can usually get a refund if you have not watched the movie at all. If you started watching, you might not be eligible. Also, you must request the refund within 7 days of your initial purchase to qualify. To be eligible, you generally need to have watched less than 25% or 1/4 of the rented movie. Crucially, the refund request must be submitted within 7 days of your rental transaction. It is also important to remember that once a refund is approved, your access to the film will be immediately revoked. This ensures fair use of the refund policy for everyone. To request a refund, begin by logging into your YouTube account using a web browser, as mobile apps might not support this feature directly. Once logged in, head to your Purchases and Memberships section. Locate the specific movie you wish to refund from your purchase history. Click on the item, and then you should see an option to request a refund, leading you to the next steps. After selecting the refund option, you will be directed to a form where you need to choose a reason for your request. Common reasons include accidental purchase or technical issues. If prompted, provide a brief, clear explanation for your decision. Once satisfied, submit the form. You should receive an email confirmation that your request has been successfully received and is under review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.